Greetings, everybody. I salute you from Central Ohio, where it is like 22 degrees right now. But again, that doesn't stop us from enjoying cars, right? Anyways, today I got in the mail a package, something beautiful that I bought, something just delightful, something that I've been waiting for a minute. And let me just show you real quick. And here it is. Just top quality, just a great box that I've been wanting for so long. And honestly, this is the best. All right, now it's getting dark at like 2 p.m. So I'm just gonna move on with this and show it to you. All right, easiest unboxing ever, great experience. All right, here we have some hardware for what we're installing right now. I don't even know why I start with this. This should be the last thing. I should tell you first what I bought. Okay. Anyways, here we have the beautiful and amazing 2020 GT500 spoiler from MP Concept. Listen, the Ford Performance one is like $650 or $700, and honestly, I'm not gonna pay that for a spoiler, okay? Maybe for a wing, something big, carbon fiber maybe, but I can't do that. And not only that, also comes with the beautiful gurney flap, which I truly love. I feel like it complements the spoiler perfectly, and without the gurney flap, the spoiler just looks whack. Right now it's getting dark, so today I'm just gonna show how I'm gonna be removing the stock spoiler. It's gonna be for sale, by the way, if you're interested. I'm just gonna remove it today, and maybe I will just show you guys the install of the other spoiler tomorrow, because I'm not trying to do all that in 15-degree weather. Do ba 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 do. Do ba do boo do, a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do, a do ba do ba do, a do ba do. All right, now that the spoiler is removed, now we just gotta clean this up a little bit and proceed with installing the new spoiler. So let me just skip all of that and proceed to install. All right, see, I decided to put together the gurney flap and the spoiler in my apartment because it's kind of cold out and it's a little more comfortable in here. So I'll just do this at my own pace and just make sure I don't destroy something. Here we got the instructions. We don't need those. I do not know what this is. Some fake 3M tape for to make contact between the spoiler and the car. We got some nuts here. We got some bolts, washers, screws. All right, so let's go. All right, that wasn't so bad. Lining up the wicker bill is extremely easy, especially because you have 3M tape for each of the holes, which is extremely helpful to keep it in place and to, you know, align it better, center it. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Just gotta know what you're doing and be patient with it. All right, it looks amazing. Even the back, all the screws, they went in great. Nothing's loose, nothing's flimsy. So let's just go put it in the car. All right, guys, the spoiler is finally installed. I'm actually recording this 2 days later. I was gonna show you the same day how the spoiler looks, but something arrived in the mail and I'm pretty excited about that. So I wanna install it first and then show you guys both things already installed. You can already tell right now what I got. The wrapper's off because I got too excited and I just wanted to see them. I got the GT500 splitter winglets from ZL1 add-ons. The quality is just tremendous. It's just sturdy, it looks amazing, let me tell you that. I'm truly in love with these. So let's just go ahead and put them on the car because I can't wait. You know, I wasn't particularly thinking about lifting the car up because it's a pain. But I think I have to because the car is so low, my big ass head doesn't fit underneath. And so yeah, I was checking the hardware here. And yeah, I don't need instructions or anything, hopefully. And look at this damn fender clips. You can kill a shark with these things. Whatever, let's just go ahead with it.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see.
Bro. Okay, so finally both the winglets and the spoiler are installed. They were a pain in the ass because it's an old car. Not everything is gonna line up perfectly, especially the right side winglet. It was awful, okay? I cried for 27 hours and a half, but you know, at the end of the day, it's all cool. It looks amazing. The spoiler was also a bitch. It took me about a week, mostly because of all the 3M tape from Ford that apparently is made by the gods or something. But I can tell you, it was fun. To finally finish the video, I've been making this shit for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all, this is great because it's a lot of downforce. You wouldn't understand that, you normies, but since I have a race car, I know more about the topic, so I might give you like the Wikipedia page so you can inform yourself a little bit. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys later, and just stay tuned, there's more stuff coming.